Hey there. I was reading about Libya's climate the other day. It's quite fascinating how diverse it is across the country. Have you ever been there?
No, I haven't been to Libya, but I'm interested in learning about its climate. I heard it's mostly desert, but there are some coastal areas too. What have you found out?
Yeah, you're right. Libya does have a predominantly desert climate, especially in the inland regions. The Sahara Desert covers much of the country, making it one of the hottest and driest places on Earth. In fact, some parts of Libya's desert can reach temperatures as high as 58 degrees Celsius, 136 degrees Fahrenheit, during the summer months.
Wow, that's incredibly hot. I can't even imagine living in such extreme temperatures. How do the people there cope with the heat?
It's definitely a challenge, but Libyans have adapted to the harsh desert environment over centuries. Traditional architecture, like the famous mud brick houses and gaudamis, helps in keeping the interiors cool. Additionally, they have specific clothing designed to protect them from the sun, like the flowing robes and turbans worn by many in the desert regions.
That's interesting. I guess adaptation is key when it comes to living in extreme climates. What about the coastal areas of Libya? How is the climate different there?
The coastal areas of Libya have a Mediterranean climate, which is significantly milder compared to the desert regions. Cities like Tripoli and Benghazi experience hot, dry summers and mild, rainy winters. The temperatures are more moderate along the coast, making it more habitable for a larger population.
That sounds much more comfortable. I suppose the proximity to the Mediterranean Sea influences the climate there. Does it bring any specific weather patterns or challenges?
Absolutely. The Mediterranean Sea plays a significant role in moderating the climate along the coast. It helps in keeping temperatures relatively stable and provides moisture, leading to mild and wet winters. However, there can be occasional weather patterns like the Mediterranean cyclones, which can bring heavy rainfall and strong winds, posing a challenge to the coastal regions.
I see. So, the coastal areas enjoy a more temperate climate thanks to the Mediterranean Sea, while the inland areas battle extreme desert conditions. It's incredible how geography can influence the climate so drastically within one country.
Definitely. Libya's diverse climate is a result of its varied geography, ranging from vast deserts to a long coastline along the Mediterranean. This diversity also influences the country's flora and fauna. Despite the challenges, there are unique plant and animal species that have adapted to survive in different regions of Libya.
That's fascinating. I've read about some of the rare desert plants and animals that have adapted to the harsh conditions. It's amazing how life finds a way even in the most challenging environments. I suppose this diversity also contributes to the overall biodiversity of the region.
Absolutely. Biodiversity in Libya is quite unique due to its varied climate and geography. There are numerous plant species like acacias, date palms, and thyme, which have adapted to the desert environment. As for wildlife, there are animals like Fennec foxes, desert hedgehogs, and various bird species that have evolved specific adaptations to survive in the arid regions.
The Fennec foxes are adorable. It's remarkable how nature equips these creatures with specialized traits to endure the desert conditions. I've also heard about the importance of preserving these unique ecosystems. Is there any conservation effort in Libya to protect its diverse flora and fauna?
Yes, there are conservation efforts in place to protect Libya's unique ecosystems. Despite the challenges posed by political instability in the past, there are organizations and researchers working towards the conservation of the country's biodiversity. International collaboration and awareness campaigns have also played a role in highlighting the importance of preserving these fragile environments.
That's reassuring to hear. Conservation efforts are crucial, especially in regions with such unique biodiversity. Preserving these ecosystems not only protects the wildlife and plant species, but also maintains the balance of the entire ecosystem. I hope these efforts continue to grow and make a significant impact.
Absolutely. Preserving biodiversity is essential not just for the environment, but also for the well-being of local communities who depend on these ecosystems for their livelihoods. It's heartening to see the global awareness and efforts aimed at protecting these natural wonders. With continued dedication, there's hope for a sustainable future for Libya's diverse climate and the life it supports.
I completely agree. It's a shared responsibility to protect our planet and its unique habitats. Understanding and appreciating the diverse climates, like those in Libya, remind us of the beauty of nature and the importance of our role as stewards of the earth. Let's hope that the awareness continues to spread, leading to more conservation efforts and a harmonious coexistence with the environment.
Well said. With increased awareness and collective action, we can ensure that the unique climate and ecosystems of Libya and other regions around the world are preserved for generations to come. It's inspiring to have these conversations and know that people are genuinely concerned about the environment. Together, we can make a difference and protect the incredible diversity of our planet.